If you're a solo game dev and you got too many game ideas, you are not alone. In fact, it's kind of rite of a passage. You start building something, get stuck, and suddenly you got a new idea. It feels better, faster, easier, and approachable, but this cycle is dangerous. And if you're not careful, it will kill your progress before you even begin. Let's start here. If you're not writing your ideas down somewhere like Notion, Notebook, your phone, or just Google Doc, then stop everything and fix that. Your brain is great at thinking, but it's terrible at storage. I use Notion, you can use anything. The point is, don't let ideas just swirl around in your head. Get them out to your brain to actually build. Now, here's the real problem. Every time you get a new idea, it feels exciting. It feels like this one is actually doable. This one is better than thing you are working on now. You think I'll just open Unreal or Unity and prototype something real quick. But 2 days later, another idea hits and cycle repeats. You keep starting but never actually progressing. That's what shiny object syndrome does. It keeps you in endless loop of daydreaming and restarting. And why it is dangerous? First, it kills consistency. You never build momentum because you are always shifting gears. Second, it gives you illusion of progress. It feels like you are doing game dev, but you are just really bouncing between dopamine hits. And third, it eats up your time. You will look back after 3 months and realize you have made 10 prototypes and finished nothing. Here's how to break out of it. Write down every game idea you have. Get it all out. Mechanics, worlds, vibes, whatever. Don't filter, just brain dump. This clears the mental clutter. You don't have to build them all, you just have to store them. Look through your list and pick 3 ideas that will excite you after a few days. Not one that just popped up in the morning. These are the ones are worth testing, not overthink, just testing. For each of the 3, build bare minimum prototype. No menus, no polish, no story. Just the core mechanic. The jump, dash, combat, whatever the heart of the idea is. Spend 2 to 4 days on each. That's it. What you are looking for is feel. Does it feel good? Does you lose the track of time while working on it? That's your gut telling you where the fun is. Once you have tested all 3, pick one, just one, and commit it for 30 days. Just 30 days of focus. No switching, no new project. Give it a real shot. If it turns out bad, fine, you learned something, but at least you followed through. That alone puts you ahead of most of the solo devs. Now, what about the other 2? Or the ones still in your notebook? Don't delete them, don't forget them, just archive them. Put them in your maybe later section. You have already won by not starting them right now. They will wait. Too many ideas isn't your problem. Problem is chasing all of them at once. Game development is a long game, and if you want to actually finish something real, you need to focus, not more creativity. So, write your ideas down, pick your top 3, prototype it, and commit. Try to launch its early version as soon as possible. Momentum beats the inspiration every time. Now tell me, what's the one game idea that's been sitting in your brain the longest? The one that keeps you coming back? Drop it in the comments. I would love to see what you've been holding on to. And hey, maybe it's the one you should actually finish. Until then, we will see you in the next one. Bye.